Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by physically connecting the second screen. Plug the correct cable into both devices and lock in a firm connection. Once done, power on the monitor and make sure the computer recognizes an active external display. If you use an adapter, choose one that supports your target resolution and refresh rate so the image won't drop frames. While your machine is awake, open Display Settings now. This prepares the system to show options for extending rather than mirroring. Next, enter your operating system's display panel to pick Extend mode rather than Duplicate. You will see each monitor represented as a tile. Drag them to match the real-world left-right or top-bottom layout so the cursor flows naturally. Make sure to assign the primary display for menus and toolbars, then set resolution and scaling per screen to balance readability and workspace. If a screen appears black, test a different cable or port and retry configuration. The settings menu will update instantly. Finish by arranging application windows and saving any workspace layouts. You now have more desktop real estate for multitasking. To optimize, calibrate brightness and color so text and images look consistent across both monitors, and learn the quick keys to snap windows between displays. If things go wrong, first reseat the cable and switch ports. Often a loose connector is the culprit. If there's still no signal, reboot the computer or update the graphics driver. Those actions resolve most hardware detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.